Within the agent portal today, you can click into your or your downline's applications to review details about the application and access the task list associated with an application. Once the application has been submitted and if it is sent off to underwriting, any underwriting requirements will be created as tasks on the application by the Breeze team. If no tasks are present, then Breeze is waiting to hear from the carrier. Every day, Breeze receives these requirements or updates to these requirements from our carriers, a surety and principal. Therefore, an application can update daily if a change occurs. Upon creation, these tasks will be created in a status of open, and if any additional details are provided for the requirement, that is logged in the task. Breeze will communicate these requirements out to the appropriate recipient, customer, agent, or a third party like a lab or physician. Once the request for the requirements has been met, Breeze will close these tasks out as completed. Once all tasks have been completed, the application will have finished the underwriting process, and at that time, Breeze is awaiting a decision from the carrier. Once a decision is received from the carrier, Breeze will update the status of the application to either approved or lost, and this will reflect in your agent portal. Having visibility into this task list allows you as an agent or upline to understand the status of an application and what is outstanding on the application. Do note, Breeze will communicate these tasks out accordingly, but having insight into these tasks allows you to inform the customer of what is needed to get their application on a path to approval.